Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to upload pictures from your computer onto your drive. The first thing you're going to have to do is make sure that you've already uploaded the pictures from your device, like your cell phone or your digital camera, onto your computer. So I put mine in a pictures folder, so then you could see them all here. So I'll show you how to put them on the drive. First, when you're in your drive, let me focus in on here. Under my drive, you can select this drop down and put upload files, select that, and then go to the folder where your pictures are. And you click, hold, and drag to select all your pictures and release your click so then you can see they're all selected. Click on open and it's going to start uploading to your drive. You can see the green check marks means they're all there. Click X and you see my pictures are in my drive now. I'm going to select the first picture I want, hold down the shift key, select the last picture I want, and put it in a folder. So before that, I have to make sure I have a folder. Select here, create a new folder, and I'm going to name it Spring Break so I can easily find it. And there it is. I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing. Click my first picture, hold shift, click my last picture, and click, hold, and drag it into Spring Break. It'll take a second. Then you double click on the folder to double check that all your pictures are there. And that's how you add a picture onto your drive.